Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Raising Cane's. I got the 3-piece chicken fingers, fries, and of course their toast and their sauce. I also asked for some hot sauce as well. It's pretty good. Ever since I got the surgery, I've been like kind of eating them. That's been the only thing that I've been able to actually hold down or whatever, if that makes sense. Because initially when I got the surgery, I wasn't able to eat anything. I was just getting the kids meals from them, and that was basically the only thing that I can actually stand. So yeah, I kind of like that these days. I rarely like eating anything or whatever. I mean, I don't have a taste for anything these days, if that makes sense. I also had their Dr. Pepper, but it seemed like it got watered down too fast. But yeah, it was my bad. Majority of the time, it seems like their chicken don't be really seasoned, but the sauce takes up for that. But how my plate is looking, but kind of all over the place because I was trying to drive, or my mom was driving, trying to get it here or whatever. So yeah, it was kind of shaking up. I had my post-op appointment basically from my surgery. Everything is good. I just had to basically my yearly exam with them as well. So hopefully, well, putting in the air that the results gonna come back good. So yeah, but my scar is good there. I guess they are assuming that my body is up to date, back to normal at this point at least. Some of the numbness is supposed to go away eventually though. So that's good. That's the only basically issue I'm having right now, and the weirdness. Next time I end up getting like 2 of these sauces. I don't really eat their bread, but it looks appetizing today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat it, or I'm gonna try it out at least. It actually tastes like it has butter in it. It actually was made fresh some wet. It's weird. It's really fluffy. It's had a lot of butter in it. Really good though. I actually have to start trying their bread or eating their bread. Excuse me. Yeah, I like it. Doesn't really go with the bread, but yeah, I like it. Well, it doesn't go with the sauce. I'll bet. Yeah, I like it. I like the bread too. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. I fill my mouth up. Pretty good. I just need a nap. I'm done. Done for today. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay. Shots. Oh man. Okay. Let's see. I'm done. Actually have butter on it, which is weird. weird, but yeah, the bread is actually good. Pretty good. Oh man, that felt interesting. Excuse me. It's taking me forever, it seems like, to chew. And have a good nap. Well, nap, rest, sleep. Probably not gonna get up until the morning and be up for a long time, even before my shift start. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. That felt better. Yeah, I am full. Huh, I tried. Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually say that name in the next video. Percy. Yeah. El Mago TV. Yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully sooner than later. I'm still working on some of the challenges you guys requested in the comments. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for actually watching my video. See you guys later. Thank you again.